Real estate can be one of the most reliable ways to building long-term wealth. Whether you're interested in direct property investments or more passive options, there are a variety of ways to profit from the real estate market. So let's explore some of the best real estate investment options for 2025 and beyond. This is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here are 5 top real estate investment opportunities. Rental properties. Owning residential or commercial rental properties can provide consistent rental income and potential property appreciation over time. Number 2, real estate investment trusts, also called REITs. So REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. Okay? They often pay regular dividends and offer diversification. There's also fix and flip properties. So if you have the skills and capital, purchasing undervalued properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price can bring a significant amount of profit. There's also vacation rental properties. So platforms like Airbnb and VRBO allow you to earn income by renting out properties on a short-term basis. It can be highly profitable in popular tourist areas. Real estate crowdfunding. This allows you to pool together money with other investors to invest in large real estate projects, reducing individual risk while still gaining exposure to the market. Real estate is a great way to diversify your investment portfolio. Leave me a like. I love you.